Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Just unpack on Usenzo Meyiwa. Gideon Khosi is still reading, guys, from his documentation that he has there. How many days has it been, guys? One comment that I was reading said, the Ndavundav Khosi wasting our day again. Namang. Kabanga, guys. I was just like, wow. He's in it with Kininda, this guy. I'm telling you, Amangake and his entourage, you won't get the state no longer have witnesses. It's the end of the road. Izingazgabalui will be outside. Those gay are my weights. The would say Davindavu Pel. But les ngazgabaloi uguti they will be outside like Izingazemfen. It's coming. We're actually there now. Agasaz Ubaloy, like he doesn't know what to do anymore. He doesn't know. So his Ngazakere actually gonna be outside now, and then what? You understand? Go bang a keep with 375. And it's crazy how people today were like busy saying go to 375 now. That's where we are. About 6 months about sending. Once I found Jinda by Alabant about 5 anyways, you know. So Ukhidon Khosi guys uspending it was 4 hours. He was speaking to himself. 4 hours, maybe 20 minutes. Ubalo he was standing up, reading or analyzing whatever he's doing. That guy. These calls the whole day, guys. Like honestly, can you read the thing? Phone numbers. It's guys. All those calls you must tell us. Oh my gosh, I was just like I said yesterday, why are we reading from those things? Because guys, if there was content, if you could tell us the SMSs with what these guys were saying, or did they really plot or no sense? But there's nothing there. Those people did agree they know each other. So why are we going through this? We don't deserve this, guys. Guys, ubalo nomntanakhe. Advocate Sibanda, I shall say, like these days, he has no work, he has no job. Ubaba Kuyano, who does everything these days since he's available at courts in Jongamanj. They don't have a case, the state. Like they don't even know what to do. Nora is getting irritable most of the time because he's like, oh my gosh, like what's gonna happen now? Because now this guy Agaswakal ufunda lazy numbers my phone number the whole day. Danzi called who? Accused number 4 called who they were on the phone for 46 minutes. And then what? Did they kill Sancho? No, 46 minutes when they were on the phone. No, they didn't. So why are we reading those things? 4 hours, guys. That's not fair though. It's a waste of time. Our time. The resources the government pen. Is just wasting our time. But these people I really, really believe they're in the same group. You still wanted to identify other calls. Gigi was like, no, I'm done. And then Malone starts to go through the calls again. Like, why, guys? He's trying to find something against Gobi. You can see, guys, I have no case. Like, there's nothing here. One of my colleagues was asking, what is CP spam? I'm just like, Angisaz, I'm just person Kininda, guys. Like, how are we gonna know what is good? La revolver, lega chico, la episode long. I'm sure you better and I think Kininda is afraid of Chico. I mean, that's just my thing. So, guys, there's another one again going around again, man. Sense of sisters. I know one that came last year. It's crazy how we came to court. We were not told. Actually, it was beginning of the year. Or the end of last year, if I remember very well. When it was Zandi's time to come. Zandile Kumalo Kumet. But I guess, guys, she's married. I mean, we can't take that away from her. And then she was like, oh, Babe Cheliwe, oh, Zandile, Oguti. The case has been postponed. They drove from Devon to come here. To come to the case. That's when they actually stopped sort of to come to court because babengatshelwa babona when the case was postponed. Kutshela oZandile Khumalo, how are they important in this case, those people, because they don't mean anything to us. They didn't lose anything. Those people instead, Kelly Wayega usenza bulawi right in front of her. And there's nothing that says she's helped us with. Instead, just like you've never seen. Umkhaya wethu kodwa wadindizela lapha kule handle of death there in Vosloorus. But she can't tell us now anymore ukuthi wabulawa ba usenzo. She'll be talking lo mpede wakade ekhuluma nge-weekend ku-Radio Zulu. So yini because FM manje. I'm just like this lady. Uyasijwayela shemlo, bayasijwayela labantu. So wadinwa ukuthi sikasenzo wangeza ke ecourt. Njengoba kade thiwa sebefikile ke ecourt futhi the two of them, they were like, yay, to abahlanye court. I was like, oh guys, why didn't they show us? We needed to see it. Guys, niloke ni busy nabantu abangazi baze bambulala usenzo engabe niletha abantu ababulala usenzo la ecourt. Angazi ukuthi ngempela state senzani. uRamaphosa ifamily kaMeyu isiza ngani elifini. Ngoba you must step in and be like, please, you need to stop. So uzoyibona lethi phala yakhe nayi. You need to be busy with this. Because this is really annoying and tiring. We are like so exhausted by this case. They're just not getting any justice. It's day in, day out. Not justice. 10 years, guys. 10 years when you know very well what happened. Oh, guys. It's crazy though. Recently they came to court because normally it has been an Usfiso that will voice out and making noise about his brother. The noise they be making as well. After Kelly at the NA. Oh no, I don't listen to this case anymore because I just don't wanna associate myself with some noise. But this is how she speaks. Angazi, when did she speak like that? And then this is how she speaks now. I'm like, wow. Like for what? What? I don't wanna be involved in noise. I can't take it. No, bruh, you don't watch Senzo's court case cause you don't care. Angithi wafa lapha kini, you don't care anymore. And I feel ukuthi nalo Chico wambizi esekudala ishonela usenzo. Wamthatha wamisa esibhedlela wamfaka emotweni. Why didn't you call the ambulance? Hey, okay, man, bakhohlakele guys. And we like it's like in a way we are entertaining them. Bakhohlakele, it's as simple as that. The mother ke uyayithatha icup. Makile. Ngabe ethatha. Le family ne. Kakhulu umuntu who's just been trying to fight justice. I guess the whole family cares. You understand? But Gakul has just been free, so he'll make videos. The last video, I told you about it last week. Oguti, he said, Ukininda Kazagabosh. But I'm like, Ukininda doesn't work alone. There's Abanyamanta Pezula Rata by far. You understand? So all the case. So for the rest of our lives, basically. So just but hey, futhi guys, ukudlala ngamagazi abantu ayikho dangerous kona shema kusiyona nje into ongazi ukuthi uyitshela ukuthi uzodlalela kuyona. It's crazy. So basically Usfiso is the one who's been like trying to fight for his brother ukubona so that they can arrest the right person. Ake osesipasenzo meyo bavele bathi sicela ni bophe umuntu okufanele nimbophe. Nyekele labafana abawu5. Cabanga guys, they came to court. Recently, I just didn't get the dates. I wish I did, you know, but they didn't really say much about around the dates. But they were in court inside. And then Ubalo continues to be busy with certain numbers after Gideon Cross was done. I'm just like, bro, so he was asking Gideon, is it the same serial number now? For all these things that you've been telling us? I'm like, how is this going to bring Senzo back, guys? Honestly, it beats me. Like, also this thing that is always coming out, Uguti, they know each other. They know each other, guys. We've been through this. And Uguti, Umapisa, Umazi after because but the other ones are related. We can't repeat the same thing every day. So you feel good, then they've been planning all along and they were plotting, basically. No, those people were plotting nothing. They don't even know Senzo. And one of them once said, actually, no, Tans is one of the people who once said, hey, I'm Nangmazomuntu. Never seen her live, like Kanji. Guys, Kelly Khumalo, akekho umuntu wangena abantu babeyihlaleli bephuzeni. There were no intruders. And unext is uGininde, uyashintsha story. Ufika athi kwakuyiplot sort of no Kelly waye involved akhumbulezisa kaboshwa. Ugcina kwakhe phela uGininde wathi uKelly akaboshwa. His last statement. Ne girlfriend yakhe futhi uMkhulu usho the same thing, uSergeant Mkhulu. Ovela shange bomb uSergeant Mkhulu 2 days before aqeda ukutestify wathi uKelly Khumalo wazombiza ngawonke amagama akhe Nonhlanhla Kelly Khumalo. Ha, ishock yasiphatha that weekend. Suspected i-stress. Wathi no. I think she's trying to confuse us and we know our story thing. As we're not backing down, we know our story. Ubhiza umuntu uthi wayengakaphumi. We understand that if ifanele ukuthi aboshwe. I was like, they think we dumb. Like mabesibuka, I'm sure. When they just chilling together, maybe hlangana noChiko kuba mnandi benza amabrayi. Bacabanga ukuthi mhlambe thina we aboard. Sibusy nabo maybe. Siporekile. Can't we know exactly who they are? You understand? So now Ubaloyi is coming up with another futhi story sokuthi uMukhan did mention ukuthi uNtanzi had a cell phone and uNtanzi is refusing kwaze wafakaza noRatha and uNtanzi refused, but you could see uRatha how he was speaking ukuthi usesayidini labaloyi yangithi vele they in the same clan. So he was like, oh, so yes, and then Ntanzi refused. I was like, wow. Vele uNtanzi manje fanele avume inamba ayinikwa uMukhan ayinikwa nawo uGininde avume ukuthi he had a cell phone. Kanjani manje, how do you have a cell phone? And then the whole thing ukuthi bayazana they were plotting. Those people don't know each other like that. Yeah, we can know each other, but we don't know each other like that. It's the same as uRatha ekhuluma ecourt ezothi ene kumsholelo nokhuluma sengathi ene use7. We don't know each other like that, bro. Like we're not friends. Why are you talking to me like you know me? Nokuthi ngihamba ama7. So you see this thing letting ngihleze ngisho kule channel ukuthi it's crazy how people start to speak to you like they know you. Wathi mina ngiyahamba ngama7 ase so then go there, bro. And go groove there. Don't tell us about your escapades zasema7. Thina singena lapha. This thing yokuthi yes Ntanzi refused ngoba you know what, he's rubbing it in angithi fanele rub in our faces like yeah lo muntu wenu number 5 libene business alenza nganext. Guys, ngisaphinda futhi ngisasho uNtanzi wayena 22 eboshwa wayesebenzele emayini ehola imali enkulu engaka lezi ababese futhi sebezama ukuyifuna la ku statement bethi imali ezayikhokhele bakhokhele. Guys, like what's going on? uGininde athini kanti kwafika abantu intruders nini futhi sebeplothe noKelly. Bra, like can we just get one story, one version so ukuthi uLongo wadubula uSenzo Meyu and then can we move on? Hayibo guys, like honestly when Ubaloyi was talking about that whole thing ekhuluma noRatha lento yokuthi uNtanzi busy repeating ukuthi uNtanzi we had a phone and all of that and useyaphika uNtanzi kusho uRatha. You know that Mgomezulu was looking at Baloyi, George Baloyi. Mboga like, oh, okay. Lying, and obviously Ntanzi denied the cell phone. Wathena kanzana cell phone. Kazaza phathe cell phone. And we must always guys remember these things phela uGininde fabricated them. Wabahlanganisa these guys ngoba ibona ukuthi vele bayazana some of them. This is basically a movie what we are watching. He has created a movie, this guy, and it's sad because we must believe the movie and then start to believe what ngempela they were intruders in that house or Kelly paid people to come and delete Senzo or terminate him. Like we must believe all this crap. You understand? So basic short and ukuthi athi Mgomezulu, this is hogwash what you are telling us when straight up like that. Baloyi is busy trying to justify this thing until Azazasungu Muramusipelo was like, when this thing that you are talking about, Kale Umnisi, in fact, Umnisi was like, why are we seeing things on the screen? Like stuff that you didn't tell us about. And I mean, after you are finished in Kuluma, after Uhos was finished, so Kuluma, when Kuluma and man, like, who did you tell about those things? Twice. I know that I was just like, you know, at this time, I'm forgetting next. Try to lelo that. I was so I'm jail advocacy minister type please Kuluma. Uramusipile didn't even finish. Uramusipile was standing already watching. He stood up. He was like, this testimony is not proper that you are giving now. Kulumangan. But is trying everything, guys, to justify himself. Like, I don't know, like uphelelo. Amahlatha aphelile, he must just stop now. Sekwanele. Ngoba nabalethu 375 into angabe bayenza sina sifuna abantu ababesendlini. And then I saw Ntanzi Shem afterwards. He was speaking to Ramusipili. You could see that he was upset. Bekhomba nje khomba into engaphili. I think he was telling him nje ukuthi he doesn't know anything about that phone that babhizi bakhuluma ngayo yena no Rat. Movie that Ukilinda has created, it's not going to end well. It's not make sure. And uyambona manje ukuthi naye akasazi ukuthi yenze kanjani. And apparently it's coming back soon, like. Ngazi ubuya for what, but I guess that time phela wayese ku trial within a trial. Now this is a long trial. So we are going to wait for that and see how that goes. But thank you so much, guys, for your support and you support Sanjay Meyiwazi, guys. We can't give up on them as we're supporting until they get that justice. This is crap, guys. What's going on that court? In that court is kudlalwa ngathi sishoniswa le. This is just crazy, guys. It's so draining and annoying at the same time, but we can't give up. Thank you so much, guys.